I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to add PayPal to your website. First, understand that integrating PayPal allows you to accept payments securely from hundreds of millions of users worldwide, enhancing your customers' trust and convenience. We will cover different integration methods, from simple buttons to advanced checkout experiences. Before you start, ensure you have an active PayPal business account and access to your website's code or content management system. This foundational step is crucial for a smooth setup, preparing you for a successful payment gateway implementation. For a quick and simple solution, PayPal offers ready-made buttons. You can generate these directly from your PayPal business account in just a few clicks. Options include Buy Now for single items, Add to Cart for multiple purchases, Donate for contributions, and Subscribe for recurring payments. Once configured, PayPal provides a small snippet of HTML code. Simply copy this code and paste it into your website's HTML where you want the button to appear. It's a fast way to start accepting payments without extensive coding knowledge. For a more integrated and branded experience, consider using PayPal Checkout. This method leverages PayPal's JavaScript SDK, allowing you to embed a fully customizable payment flow directly onto your site. It offers greater control over the user interface and can significantly improve the customer journey by keeping them on your domain throughout the transaction. This advanced integration provides dozens of customization options, enabling you to match the checkout experience perfectly with your website's design and functionality, offering a truly seamless process. Before making your PayPal integration live, rigorous testing is absolutely essential. Use PayPal's sandbox environment to simulate transactions and ensure every payment path works as expected, from successful purchases to cancellations and refunds. Always prioritize website security by using SSL certificates and following best practices for data protection. Finally, the digital landscape evolves rapidly, so make it a habit to regularly check PayPal's official documentation for any updates, new features, or changes to their API, ensuring your integration remains optimal and secure.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.